He ain't do nothing wrong. Alright, he's just, you know. Yo, why? This is a snake. How do we know it's No! Fuck! Who's the snake? Oh my gosh. Remember that time I said we should do a Callisto mass? Remember that time I said we should do a Callisto mass? Remember that time? Oh fuck, I lost everything. I didn't even realize that. Wow, was I skulled? Fuck, I didn't even mean skull. Damn. Fuck, I skulled. I don't know, I didn't. Damn, I skulled, bruh. It's okay though. It's okay though, it's okay. Yeah. We got stream sniped on 07.